Hi there. I'm Alex Holt. I'm a director at the Cashroom, and this is my contribution to the LFA quarterly video updates. Things I'd like to mention are mainly arising, in fact, from the LFA conference, which we held very successfully at the beginning of June. First thing was that a real theme that came out in the day was the rise of artificial intelligence, concerns expressed by people about what impact it would have. And I was at an event last night for today's media's wills and probate gathering where the same concerns were expressed. And I think what came across from our technical expert session was that it's so important to embrace these technologies whilst at the same time using them for what they're intended, being really clear about the capabilities of them. Richard Hill of Pogus Goodhead, he confirmed that their firm uses AI to generate significant amounts of outgoing communication with clients that is judged by the AI to be specifically applicable to that particular client's interests. That's just one example. There are all sorts of will writing capabilities I was learning about last night. So I suppose the message is lean into it, find out about it, understand that it's here to stay, and see whether it can help with your own business. Another theme was the issue of brand building and basically how important it is for firms to enable and empower their people to build their own brands. And as a result of that, to make the best of social media, to empower them to, have their personality out there, to win work through that personality, absolutely have rules in place to kind of guide them. But don't be afraid to let people be themselves and be a character online. Provided the firm is strong enough and good enough to keep the person, then the fact they've got their own brand and generate their own work is not a problem. And then the final piece I would mention is how important it is to use experts to do things. And this really came across to me with the LFA conference. We as a group had an outline idea of doing a conference, and then we involved a group called Zia Beer, who were events consultants, and they were phenomenal. And what became clear was that there are so many facets to certain things that you might have taken for granted, things that you absolutely and we would have missed, but Zia Beer held our hand all the way and were superb. And it just made me think, the use of experts in the right way is always a good thing. You might want to use expert cashiers, for example. Thank you.